Revolut staking is a feature offered by Revolut, a digital banking platform that allows users to earn rewards by holding and staking certain cryptocurrencies. To understand Revolut staking, let's break down the concept of staking and how it works on the Revolut platform. Staking is a process where users hold and validate transactions on a blockchain network, similar to how miners do in traditional proof-of-work systems. But instead of using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical equations, stakers use their existing coins to validate transactions. This process helps to secure the network and verify transactions. And in return, stakers are rewarded with additional coins or tokens. On Revolut, staking is available for a select number of cryptocurrencies, including Tezos and Ethereum. To start staking on Revolut, users need to have a Revolut account and hold the eligible cryptocurrency in their Revolut wallet. The staking process is then handled automatically by Revolut, and users can earn up to 10% in annual rewards, depending on the cryptocurrency being staked. The benefits of Revolut staking include the potential to earn passive income, as well as the ability to support the security and integrity of the blockchain network. Additionally, Revolut staking does not require any complex setup or technical expertise, making it accessible to users of all experience levels. To get started with Revolut staking, users should first ensure they have a Revolut account and the eligible cryptocurrency in their wallet. They should then navigate to the staking section of the Revolut app, where they can opt in to the staking program and begin earning rewards. It is also important for users to understand the terms and conditions of the staking program, including any potential risks or fees associated with staking. In terms of best practices, users should always do their own research and understand the risks and potential rewards of staking. Before getting started, they should also ensure they have a clear understanding of the fees and terms associated with the staking program, and should only stake what they can afford to lose. By following these best practices and taking a thoughtful and informed approach to Revolut staking, users can potentially earn passive income and support the security of the blockchain network.